Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for the freshers. So if you are the students of 2026 pass out or 2025 pass out, then this will be important for you. So first important opportunity from the Qualcomm, they are hiring for the role of engineer associate display testing. So this is a wonderful opportunity if you want to work with this one of the greatest company. So company name is Qualcomm and job area engineering groups. So what are the minimum qualification? You should have bachelor degree in engineering, informatics system, computer science or related field. And if you are from the IT background, then this will be a wonderful opportunity. And this will be your roles and responsibility. That is, you will assist in identification analysis, collaborate with other insiders, and this will be responsibility. Just to go through complete job link in the description which I will provide and apply as soon as possible. Next important opportunity that is from the Comcast. They are hiring for the role of network engineer 1, and this is also from the computer engineering background, and this is a full-time role, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So just go through complete job link in the description, and other things they are demanding that the basic tech stack knowledge you should have, and just go through it. Okay? Friends, keep applying for off-campus drive. Okay, don't depend on the just college, because students are also getting reward. Those who have applied for the IBM hiring, from the Accenture hiring, they are getting the reward. Okay, so you should apply for this. Next important hiring from the WPP, they are hiring for the role of technology risk and control analyst, PPS. So job location is Tamil Nadu or Chennai, you can say. And what will you bring? You should basically means what the your responsibility. You will develop a standard operating procedure, risk and control matrix, and these all are requirement. So what you will need means you should have just a knowledge of IT control, maintaining positivity, and if you have some professional certification like CSIA, CIA, then this will basically increase your selection chances in this wonderful opportunity. If you want, you can apply. For applying this, you have to give your basic details with the resume. So make sure to apply with updated resume. Okay. Next important opportunity that is from the AMD. They are hiring for the role of GPU GFX verification engineer, and job location is Hyderabad, India. So this is also wonderful opportunity, and these will be your roles and responsibility. You know AMD is a good company, and what are the knowledge in this? You should have proficient in IP level ASI verifications and experience with C++, C or C or graphic and pipeline knowledge. So if you are the candidates who have this, and if you are from the CS or electrical background, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply for this. Next emerging from Jill, they are hiring for the role of junior analyst investment modeling, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. You should not miss. So these will be your roles and responsibility, and skills requirements. Freshers are eligible for this wonderful opportunity, and skills is just basic, that is Excel, PowerPoint, and all other knowledge. Just go through it. You should have just good communication skill and knowledge of the cash flow, IRR, NPV. I think those who follow our economics for engineer, they are getting this value. Time value of money क्या होता है, equity क्या होता है, debt return क्या होता है, and IRR. So this all you have to go through it. Okay. Next opportunity that is from the Vinove Software and Services, and job location in Noida, sector 129. So they are hiring for the role of software developer, Python or PHP. So if you have knowledge in this, then you can just apply this. So for applying, just you have to click the new link, and you have to just fill the basic detail, and you can possibly go through it. Okay. I think they have closed that, so you can ignore this. Okay, I'm just closing it. Remember, friends, keep applying. Okay, and don't be late, friends. If you have been selected for TCS NQT interview, so if you want to schedule your mock interview, you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance, which will basically help or increase your selection chances. We will also do the resume review and all those stuff. So if you are interested, you can fill the form. And best of luck to the candidates who have the interview further. Okay, you can also refer to our video related to interview experience, and we have already shared the interview experience of various candidates for both digital and prime. So just all the best. So next important opportunity that is from the Wipro. They are hiring for the role of non-voice backend process, and this is a non-technical profile, and freshers are eligible for the role of associate. So if you are from the BCom, BA, BBA, BCA, BSc, then only you are eligible. If you are from BE, BTech, then you are not eligible. So this is a wonderful opportunity. If you want, then just contact this person. Okay, and I will provide this link, a LinkedIn link too. You can just connect with them. Next important video from the anblix. They are hiring for the role of AI and data engineering intern, batch 2026-2025. You can get stipend up to 49K. For applying, just you have to click the new link, and you will basically go through it, or I will share you the direct link. Just apply for this wonderful opportunity. Okay, and friends, we really put lots of important job updates. You can subscribe us, and if you have any query, we can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask query anywhere. Okay, now next opportunity, they are hiring for the role of network engineer trainee, Pune, and you should have networking knowledge. And if you are fresher, then you can apply for this. Just share your resume to this mail ID. And last important opportunity that is from the Aptitude, and they are hiring for the batch of 2026-2025, and stipend you can get 40,000 per month. So this is also good hiring. So if you want, you can apply. For applying, just you have to basically apply from the LinkedIn, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. So I hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment. I'll be very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.